Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is RAZZAQ bin HAMJA and I recently studied at UMS as a first year medical student. Today, I'm going to talk about an interesting topic. Let's get started. For centuries, we have looked up to the stars, curious about our place in the universe and eager to explore worlds beyond our own. Today, we stand on the brink of turning science fiction into reality. The idea of living on Mars. Mars would be a great place to live if it wasn't for a lack of air, foods, plants, and the intense colds. How would it be possible for people to get by on Mars, even for a short while? And more importantly, how are you going to survive when you are living there? It will take a lot of ingenuity, but experts think it is possible with the technology we already have. Information from unmanned missions like Global Surveyor will be vital in planning how people can survive on the red planets. You may also be growing your plants in inflatable greenhouses. The soil might be imported from Earth's or ground up Mars work with nutrients added. But where would the water come from? Well, it may be transported from Earth or generated by fuel cells, or you might get it by melting frost found under Mars surface. Major investigations into the polar ice caps will have to be made to see if a major water source exists under the surface. Water isn't the only thing that will be recycled and reused on Mars. Nothing will be wasted at the Mars colony, simply because it costs too much to get it there in the first place. Even the contents of a full toilet may be treated with chemicals and then used as a source of manure for the growing plants. On the other hand, without power to drive the missions in the Mars colony, your mission's as good as over before it started. Power is essential and will probably be supplied in 2 or more different ways. If one power provider cannot work for some reason, another can kick in and compensate. Where will the power come from? There's a range of possibilities. We will probably bring fuel cells and batteries along from Earth. Do you think we can live with these supplies? In the long term, no. The most readily available source of energy would be solar power. Mars is a lot further away from the sun, so the intensity of sunlight it receives is only half what we get on Earth. However, the thin atmosphere of Mars will help it let a lot more of the sun's rays through than the Earth's heavy atmosphere. Solar energy is likely to be an important power provider for people on Mars, even though long dust storms may stop it from working. But there's a problem we need to consider. We need to compare the difference between Earth and Mars, such as atmosphere, climate, and water. People could not breathe the atmosphere on Mars. It is 96% carbon dioxide and only 0.145% oxygen. The Martian atmosphere is also thin. This means that it is 100 times less dense than Earth's atmosphere. This information shows the comparison between Earth and Mars atmospheres. And more interestingly, both Earth and Mars experience 4 seasons. Each season on Mars is longer than each on Earth because the Martian year is longer. The climate on Mars is colder, drier, and harsher than in any place on Earth. The average temperature on Mars is negative 63 Celsius. There's evidence that salty water flows in some places on the Martian surface, but this only happens when the temperature is above negative 23 Celsius. Mars has solid water in its polar ice caps like Earth does. Is it possible to live on Mars in the future? It seems possible, but extremely challenging because the speed of our technology growth is incredibly fast. It will be interesting to witness the wonders of technology transform the world around us. Let us open our minds to the future and imagine what humanity could achieve on Mars. Thank you very much.